In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Mailerlite account. We'll start by opening Mailerlite and either logging in or creating a new account. If you're brand new to the platform, take a few moments to complete the initial setup properly. That usually includes confirming your email address and verifying your domain, which is an important step because it helps improve deliverability and makes your campaigns look more trustworthy to recipients. Once you're inside, it helps to get familiar with the dashboard before building anything. Mailerlite is organized into several main areas. You'll see subscribers, where your contacts are managed, campaigns, where you create and send emails, forms, for collecting new signups, automations, for building email sequences, sites, integrations, and the file manager. Knowing where these sections are will make everything else much easier. Next, go to subscribers and click Add Subscribers. This is where you bring your contacts into the platform. You can import them from a CSV or TXT file, copy and paste them from Excel, or add them manually one at a time. Choose the method that best matches how your contact list is currently stored. After that, head to Subscribers, then Groups, and create a group to organize your contacts. Groups are useful because they keep your audience tidy and make sending more targeted emails much easier. For example, you might create groups for newsletters, new leads, or customers. Now go to Forms and create a sign-up form. This is the form people will use to join your email list. Customize the design so it matches your brand and make sure it connects to the correct subscriber group so new contacts are added exactly where you want them. When your list is ready, move to Campaigns and click Create. Choose Regular Campaign, then decide whether to start from a template or from scratch. If you're just getting started, the drag and drop editor is the simplest option and usually the easiest to learn. Design your email by adding text, images, buttons, links, and any other content you want to include. Adjust the layout and fonts until everything looks right. Then click Done Editing. Next, choose your recipients by selecting the groups or segments that should receive the email. If needed, you can also exclude certain groups or segments. Before sending anything, preview and test your email carefully. Check how it looks on different screen sizes, test every link, and send yourself a test email. Then review the campaign details and decide whether to send it immediately or schedule it for later. You can also create an automation by going to Automations and selecting Create Workflow. Choose a trigger like Joins a Group, add an email step, add a delay if you want follow-up emails, and activate the workflow when it's ready. Finally, check your results in the campaign reports. Pay attention to opens, clicks, and unsubscribes, and use that information to improve future emails.